We are capturing the waterfalls here at Brecon Beacons in South Wales. You can see the water cascading from down on top of that hill to the river over here. I'm capturing the scene now on my wet Huawei P-Smart 2020 phone. Beautiful, beautiful. Power of nature. Nature at its best and nature at its finest. Thank you, Mother Nature, for giving us Mother Earth. And thanks God for all the wonderful creation that you have given for people to enjoy. This is one of the 4 waterfalls here at Brecon Beacons. This is part of the Brecon Beacons 4 waterfalls walk. This is the biggest one of the waterfalls, and you can actually walk inside the water or behind the waterfalls. Really, really good. I've just been earlier on and I was so worried that my phone is gonna get wet, gonna get damaged. So the first thing I did is, as soon as I emerged out of the waterfalls, is check on my phone and wipe it against the grasses. Beautiful, beautiful. I can spend the day here actually. This is very relaxing. Very, very relaxing. Highly recommended. You see beautiful waterfalls, and at the same time you are gonna be fit because of the long trek or the long walk from the car park to here. There you go. The water goes down to the river and goes and fit the next waterfalls down below. Beautiful. I'm gonna go inside the waterfalls in a minute, and I have to make sure that I keep this mobile phone safe. I had an idea where to keep it actually, so I go inside over there once again, and I'm soaking wet at the moment, top to bottom. Soaking wet, even my shoe is soaking wet, but it's all worth it. That's my daughter Joyce. She also had the best experience of her life seeing these waterfalls and going inside the waterfalls, which is the very first time we have ever done it. Woo! I was screaming while I was inside I was screaming with glee, with gladness. I was like a little child as I was inside the waterfall. It's freezing, yeah. But the water is very soothing. This is a sunny Saturday in August, summer here in the UK. (29th of August 2020). Yeah. So bye for now, and thanks for making this video part of your day, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Better still, you could have been here with me and enjoying these scenes. Anyway, God bless, peace and love to all. Hasta la vista, till we meet again. Amor con amor se paga.